Are you looking for a new hairstyle that will turn heads? Then check out this video on 25 Karen haircuts for women. These stylish and edgy looks are perfect for any occasion, and will definitely make you stand out from the crowd. So what are you waiting for? Number 6 was our favorite. Number 1. Punky Modern Karen. Number 2. Platinum Inverted Bob. Number 3. Tousled Karen Haircut. Number 4. Multicolored Karen. Number 5. All shades of pink. Number 6. Brown highlights on brown hair color. Number 7. Zigzag partition. Number 8. Platinum curly lob. Number 9. Fire-inspired hair color. Number 10. Ruby red bob. Number 11. Choppy layered cut. Number 12. Sharp-edged haircut. Number 13. Classic Karen cut with waves. Number 14. Short Karen cut with ocean highlights. Number 15. Kate Gosselin blonde Karen cut. Number 16. Shaggy stacked haircut. Number 17. Youthful, ombre highlighted Karen cut. Number 18. Polished short Karen haircut. Number 19. Messy finely chopped hair. Number 20. Wispy Karen cut with highlighted layers. Number 21. Karen cut with a pixie twist. Number 22. Neck-length Karen haircut. Number 23. A-line cut with bangs. Number 24. Multicolored and tapered Karen cut. Number 25. Subtle look in a Karen style. The Karen haircut is a great choice for anyone looking for a new, stylish hairstyle. This versatile haircut can be worn in a number of ways and can be styled to suit any occasion. With its low maintenance and easy to style nature, the Karen haircut is perfect for busy people who want to look good without spending hours in front of the mirror. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. We really appreciate it. Leave a comment and let us know which haircut was your favorite. Which haircut will you try?